Hi guys, welcome to Karyna USA. In this video, I'm going to tell you how much people earn in the United States and what you can do if you come here as an immigrant. The average salary in the United States that people earn is $45,000 per year. That's the salary for 40 hours weekly shift. That's not a lot. There are a lot of people who earn much more, and there are also a lot of people who earn less. So let's talk about what you can do if you come here as an immigrant. Let's pretend that you come to the United States and you don't have a proper experience and you don't have any education with you. So what you can do, that's like the exact thing that happened to me when I came here when I was 19 years old, and I will give you some examples where you can find some work based on my 4 years Chicago experience. So let's pretend that you have some education from your company, or you studied, for example, for 2 years in the university and you didn't finish it and came here with a green card, for example. So what you can do is to transfer your degree or diploma, doesn't matter what you have, or any papers, because I had just 2 years completed of linguistic university and they transferred that within like 2 weeks for $150. That was pretty fast and cheap, and I went with those papers to the college and they took me. And they even counted like 40% of my college, so I saved a lot of time and a lot of money. So that's one of the things. You can transfer your diploma, and let's pretend that you want to be an accountant or web designer. Only a couple years stops you from your dream job, so you can easily finish them here and go work whoever you want. The other good thing that you can work part or full-time while you're studying. A lot of people do that in the United States, and I do the same thing. I work part-time and I study part-time. So let's go over the jobs. When I came here, I had some friends who helped me out, guide me through all the positions, salaries, and so on. But I know that a lot of people who come here, they don't have such kind of friends or people who can help them, and they pay a lot of money to the companies who guide them through all these steps. So I decided to shoot this video to help people who come here and don't have any relatives or friends to understand that it's pretty easy to find a job and give them step by step what they can do. So let's start from the office position. There are a lot of offices in Chicago, for example. I'm sure that there are a lot of offices in every state. So you can work pretty much everywhere. For example, you can work at the receptionist, airport, lawyer assistant, real estate assistant, accountant assistant, in every clinic, in any office, because they don't really require any education, and if you have some, that's perfect. If you don't, they will just teach you. Another good thing, for example, the lawyer assistant and the accountant assistant, if you are pursuing to get your degree in that field, that would be a great experience for you to work, gain some knowledge, and then go finish your degree and go working for someone else, or stay here but with a better pay. The salary starts from $10 per hour and goes up to $20-25 per hour. It all depends on the experience, on the language, on the education, so a lot of stuff that you need to keep in mind. The other great opportunity to work in the office, I know that a lot of people from European countries do that, is a dispatch position. It's pretty popular in Chicago. I'm not sure about other states, but what's good there, that you have like a really fast career path. You can start from earning $500 per week, and then in a year you will be earning $1,500. That's not the job for everyone. For example, I tried for a couple months. It didn't work. I didn't really like it, but I know that a lot of people do that, and you don't really have to have any experience to start working as a dispatcher. So that's like one of other opportunities that you can find here. So for the office positions, you can start earning from $20,000 per year to $40,000 per year. That's pretty good for the person who just arrived. That's like one of the alternatives. Also, there are a lot of positions in the service sector. For example, the beauty ones like hair, nails, eyelashes, and so on. The waiter positions are very popular in here because they have like a flexible schedule and you can work and study easily. You can also be a host, do the house cleaning, housekeeping, taking care of someone's child, walking dogs, be an Uber or Lyft driver. There are a lot of other jobs, not only the office ones. The service sector is pretty popular. The first because of the flexible schedule, and the second because people earn a bit more than in the office because they also might be getting like tips except the salary. So many people like it. Let's pretend that you are a man who don't speak English, don't have any education, and you want a green card, you came here and you don't know what to do. There are a lot of construction jobs, home improvement like window washing, gutter cleaning. I know that a lot of people do the truck driver jobs. When you drive like a huge truck, there are a lot of truck driver jobs, and these jobs usually pay much better because not everyone can do that, and it's not like the women jobs. That is just the other alternative for you. For example, if you are scared that you will not be able to find a job or no one will hire you without the language, that's not true. They will. There are a lot of different companies, really. So you just have to start searching, you just have to start asking. The salaries for those are higher because they usually get like the percentage of the work completed, not the salary. That's pretty much of my experience and experience of people that I know here. If you guys have like specific questions or you want to ask something else that I didn't mention, please write down that in the comments below. I will be glad to answer all that, or maybe I will shoot a new video about it. Please let me know if this video was helpful and give me your like, and also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the new videos. And thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.